Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that Stihl 036 Pro. That is a 61cc motor. Very popular for the semi-professional guys. This one features a 20-inch sprocket nose bar with a new 3/8 full comp chain. Full comp means the sequence has more teeth. You can see there is very little spacing between the teeth. Very fast cutting chain. And we'll demonstrate that here in a little bit outside. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the features this saw has. I did do a compression check. It is 155 psi. The cylinder is very clean. Everything's very clean on it. Master controls right here. All the way up is off, run, high idle, and high idle choke. Has a hand protector right here. That helps protect your hand in case there was a chain throwing incident. It gives a little protection there for you. Also functions as a foot pad when starting this saw. On the ground, put your foot in the pad. Get a good firm grip on those handlebars. And you can start this high compression engine. It does have a decompression valve. It's right here on top. Just push that in. It pops out every time the saw starts. So just always remember to push that in. Has a side load on your fuel reservoir, as well as the chain oiler reservoir. The original sticker on it. It's in very good shape. Working chain brake. And to adjust the tension on this bar, loosen the two nuts up, and right in the center is your tensioner. And we're going to take a few extra minutes on this. This saw's very clean. We're going to look inside the muffler, show you what to look for. Whenever you're buying a used saw, it's always good to take the muffler off and have a look inside. Saw can look brand new but be completely worn out or seized, been run lean. Okay, we'll get in here as close as we can. That piston's in great shape. No scuffing, no scoring, rings are free. Anytime you look at a used saw, try to get the muffler off and look inside. It's going to tell you so much. Compression helps a little bit to know what compression you're running, but I've seen them scored and run fairly good compression, but you need to look inside that muffler. And we'll just take a quick look at the cylinder here. It's in very good shape. Air cleaner's like brand new. Yeah, you can see how clean that is. These are very popular saws. I wish they still made them, but this is a very good running 036. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.